Okay, first up, I like to do this style when I really don't want to fuss with my hair or if I have pin curls underneath to get ready later. I make a bow in the front and then I pin the points to the back with a bobby pin and then it's securely in place. This is the fit for now, a 50s blouse with some jeans, and I have my hair wrapped to cover some pin curls I have underneath. And afterwards I want to do my hair. For right now I'm going to quickly go to an estate sale just to, I don't know, just see what we find. The scarf can definitely be an all-day wear, so for right now it's covering my pin curls. Coming back from the estate sale, really didn't find anything this time. Transition in 3, 2, 1. Alright, all done. I will link down in the description hair tutorials if you want to know how I curl my hair. And for this next look, I wrap it around and then tie it around the neck, and boom, easy breezy. Pair it with a white top for a slight bold of color. And if you want even more of a pop of a color, just tie the points around your neck and let the points hang around so have even more of a bright color. And then how magically is my bracelet matching the scarf? It was meant to be. I would say this is more of a protective style, using the scarf to protect the curls or your nice hairdo because we're going on a drive. Picture yourself driving with a convertible or a working car. I love this style for that vintage look while you're driving. Next, do the same wrap like we did around our neck, but instead it's going to go around our head and then tie it with a bow for a 1940s look in the garden. Next, for another 1940s look, put your hair up in a poodle style, but for this demonstration I'm just going to quickly wrap it up and thank God my hair held up with like 3 bobby pins. So I just wrap my hair in the front just to have these little curls in the front, and don't worry about the mess because the scarf is going to cover that all up. Fold over the scarf and lightly tie a knot, pulling the excess in the front. And before you tie it tight, I would always bobby pin the side so it holds the scarf in place. Do it on the one side and the other side as well. And then you could do a tighter knot. This is just so the bobby pins hold it in place. And then I like kind of a ruffled look for the tops, kind of matches like the curls in the front. And I pin it to the sides so I can hold it in place. And just for extra security, I do a cross bobby pin knot in the back so I know it's not going to go anywhere. I love this style for when it's really hot outside and you want your hair up but still look vintage. Also a very quick vintage hairstyle. Next, you could wear the scarf as a top. My mom taught me this. She used to wear this a lot in the 70s. And she said that she would wear scarves as a top. You tie it in the back and then you safety pin the points to a long necklace. Wear it with some pants or a long skirt for a 1940s look. Again, so versatile. At this point, I had to wear my slippers outside. I love the green and gold version of this scarf too. It's very bright in person and it looks great with the yellow tones. Going with the yellow theme, I wrap the scarf where it's completely covering my hair. I think of this style as like an old Hollywood starlet waiting for her scenes to come on, and her hair is protected with the scarf until she's ready to go. Definitely another easy hairstyle to do. And here we are, 8 different ways you could use this scarf, especially by Sewrena. It is beautifully made, and what a way to support artists that we love. Love ya, bye!